Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all well. Right, today I've got a review, but it's going to be for Keith's channel. I ordered some stuff about 2 weeks ago from TEMU and it hasn't long arrived. So come on over and have a look what we've got in. Right, it's a potato chipper. Remember these from the 70s, the Good Kitchen Helper it's called. So I'm going to show you the side of the box. That side's in a different language, so these are the only instructions that it came with, so I'll let you have a look on there. And it cost £8.38 and they're very popular on TEMU at the minute. It is a stainless steel potato slicer, potato cutter, French fry cutter for kitchen, manual vegetable cutter and kitchen gadgets. And like I said, I bought it from TEMU about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, should we get it open and have a look? Right, I'm just gonna put you on the side a minute. Right, let's get it out of the box and have a look. This is how it comes in a plastic bag. It's metal, feels quite sturdy. There's no instructions there. The only instructions are on the side. So let's open it up and have a good look. So, here we go. Oh, I mean, I haven't got a clue what I'm doing with one of these, so you'll just have to bear with me. I've watched some videos to try and figure out how to work it, because like I said, it don't come with any instructions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a good wipe over, a good wash, and then we're going to see if it works. Oh, and it comes with a smaller slicer as well. So let's get this out as well. I forgot about that one. So let's open this up. Like I said, it does potatoes, vegetables, salad stuff, anything really. So, it comes apart like that. So I'm going to go and give it all a wash and I shall bring you back in a minute. Right, I've gave it all a good wash and I'm going to have a look at this. Simple and easy cutting to the large base and long lever arm. To change the blade, open the potato chipper fully, remove the lathe and fit the new blade. Then withdraw the ejector and insert the new ejector to match colour of blade. When placed on the end, it occupies little cupboard space as well. And I like it as well because it's stainless steel. Like I said, I paid about £8.38 was it? I'll have to have another look and tell you near the end what I paid for it. So like I said, I brought this for Keith. He doesn't know that I've brought him this yet. I thought it'd be really handy for his channel. So I'm going to see if it's any good for me as well. But I think I don't know. I'm not sure. Right. There it is. So I presume you put your potato in there and then like push that down. So you'll have to bear with me and see whether this works first time or not, because I'm completely new to this as well. So I've put my potato in, as you can see. Now I don't know if I've got the strength to do this. I'll have to oh gosh, yeah, it's quite hard, you know. Oh no, I can't do it. Oh, it's too hard for me. Right, I'm gonna have to, I've got it all stuck now. Oh, see, it's got to go through there, so I'm gonna think I'm gonna have to shout at Keith in it all, because that is way too hard for me to do. Let me see if this other potato will be a bit easier for me. Because it says you just put your potato in there, and I've watched them, and you just push that down. Oh, this one's a bit better. Oh, no, can't do it. Give me a second while I shout Keith. Right, what I also have done is I've got an onion on the side, so I'm going to get Keith to try and help me with this potato one first, because I can't push it all the way down.
Oh, I have one of these. My mum had one of these.
It's really difficult. That's as far as I've managed to do it. I'm scared of... See?
Yeah.
Oh!
We've gone all over the floor.
I never caught that. It's off camera. Let us do it again. I've got one more potato that Keith's peeled for me. Right, let me move them over there.
Yeah.
Right. That's better. We're in shot now.
Shot.
Yeah. Like I said, I don't know how to use one of them and stuff. Well, I do, but
Well, Mummy's got
it's
one
just
of these in
really,
the 70s.
it's really hard. Especially with
Doesn't feel very...
it doesn't feel very sturdy, does it? It doesn't look very sturdy. That's going to snap.
Tell you what.
It gets stuck as well. See at the front here? Show them at the front. It gets all stuck there, so you can't pull it back.
Maybe cut the end off to keep it flat.
Well, it's just...
Just get another potato.
It's trial and error, isn't it?
Get another potato back.
Oh, dear. It does work, does look.
Yeah, get another potato, but chop the end off.
Okay. Right, I've got another potato out, and Keith's just going to put it in.
I'm going to chop the end off.
We're going to chop the end off and see if that's any better. So it does work, it's just...
You need a lot of pressure.
You need a lot of pressure, so it wouldn't be any good to anybody that suffers with their hands and hasn't got the strength. I can't do it.
Okay.
But I'm going to try with an onion in a bit with the smaller one.
Onion. I think one's for fries, isn't it?
One's for fries, one's for like potatoes, but you can also do...
It feels very flimsy, to be honest with you.
But you can do...
Look.
Oh, that's going to snap.
Yeah, it's going to snap. They're not the best, these.
No, they're not, but everyone's raving about them, you know, they're selling on TEMU like anything.
Well,
So we know it does...
It does work,
It
but
does work, but it's not very strong.
It's not, I'd be scared to bash my fingers on
You
there.
are, yes. I can see it. You can see it
Bending.
bowing. Yeah. So that's not very good, is it? I paid £8. £8 something for this.
Nah. I prefer to use my knife back.
I paid £8.38.
bother.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that then.
Too much hassle.
Do you think it would do onions and carrots?
Yeah, probably do that.
It won't do
It's designed for potatoes, isn't it? For fries.
Yeah, it says it's a stainless steel potato slicer, potato cutter, French fry cutter for kitchen, vegetable cutter and kitchen gadget.
Nah. I wouldn't even bother.
See.
Yeah, but I wouldn't bother. Look.
I know.
Look at it
No,
bending.
that's bending. That's no good.
Only a
is it?
spuds, ain't it?
Yeah, that's no good. Look, it's already, you've already bent it. Look, turn it round. You've already bent it out of shape there. It's all pressed in.
Rubbish.
It's rubbish. Sorry about that. That's no good
I'm
then.
looking forward to one of them as well.
I know.
I'm going to get one of them.
Your
son.
arm's in the way of everybody. You can't see.
Yeah, that's no good, Bab.
Should I try an onion instead? So you'd have to get, I mean, it has done, it did do the first one, but
it's tight, isn't it?
they fell all over the floor. And you've seen the pressure that I was putting on it. I couldn't even get it halfway down.
Nah, that's rubbish.
That's rubbish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get this potato out
Get
now.
out, yeah.
Yeah, please. And I'm going to try an onion. We'll see if it's any good with the vegetables. I think that's the best thing that happens.
Wait. Good luck.
Oh, you broke it. Oh no.
Look at that. Just as I press it down, look.
Oh no.
Pay for what you get, don't you?
Done to my potato cooker.
Let's try to squeeze it through.
Oh bless
Look,
you.
it's come through a bit, but look at that.
Oh well, at least we got one lot of potatoes out of it.
The people who say they're really good, they ain't.
Everybody is raving about them,
they're
all
raving
on
about
TEMU, right? And I'm not being funny. There's all sorts of different ones and everything, but I decided to go for this
Don't
one.
believe everything you see.
Yes, do not believe
Or
everything you read and everything you see.
Yeah, so but that can go in the bin.
That was a waste of £8.38. So everyone raving and ranting about them, saying that they're absolutely
I mean, there
brilliant.
might be some better ones on there, but, you know, but I wouldn't trust it.
No, I wouldn't trust. Oh, after that one, I don't think I could trust another
You
one.
might as well go and
You
spend,
might as well go and get.
might as well go and spend 30 quid on a proper one, mightn't you?
Yeah, look, it's all busted up. I'm sorry about that. Oh well. I try these things so you don't have to waste your money. It's just 5 pieces. It's all bent, and it cost £8.38. So don't believe everything you read online. Don't believe everything you see on these videos, because we've twice different videos. Yeah, that's what I meant.
We don't see on your videos, Bab.
Oh, I didn't mean to say that.
Don't believe everything on that videos.
You'd have made me go all thingy because it's broke. Right, so this is absolute rubbish. Please don't waste your money. Like I said, bought it from TEMU. You pay for what you get, really, don't you? I suppose. But it was worth a try because they are very popular on the internet. So I'm going to give this a nothing because it's going straight in the bin. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you all later. Bye.